That would be no good on that one. But this, on the other hand, is extremely smooth, and it's fun. It's really nice. It's just the only problem is you get stuck behind cars.
Serious.
You know, my channel should be called The Back of Cars License Plates, because that's all. I never get open fields, man. Never get open fields. I mean, see this road? Imagine without cars.
Is this heaven?
It is perfectly smooth. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous ride. I was right over here somewhere. I had to push my bike from right up here. It was right here. There. I had to push my bike all the way to that one section. That's why I was definitely tired after that. But it just forces me to get in shape. I need to get in shape.
Yeah, I know. Papa's a little out of shape.
And I really got stuck behind a grip of people. Literally, look, there's one person behind me. And this is a fantastic road, man. Sorry, guys and gals. This is ridiculous.
I don't care if you're old, seize the gap!
And maybe I might ditch this video. If I get time to film it again, I'll go again. But this time, maybe there might not be enough cars. I don't know. I don't know. I give up. At least I'm on a motorcycle, you know? At least I'm out and I'm enjoying the weather and just having a good time.
Puking his guts out.
I have no idea what that kid was doing. He looked like he got car sick. He was yakking.
But wait! There's more!